What is going on, everybody? This is Skizamanops, and as you can see, I am back here on the trail. The campsite's right up there, but I'm going to go ahead and put an image on screen right now and tell you or show you how cold it is and what time it is right now. So there it is. Look, Lippy Longtail decided to join us today. So this dead tree here, you can see, I'm almost positive this is a cherry tree. Look at the bark. As you can always tell, the bark looks almost identical, exactly like this. Well, it doesn't look identical to anything else, but it looks like this here. And I cut it a while back, a few months ago. As you can see, it's kind of red right there. And the way you can tell if it's a cherry tree is if you cut it and you take a whiff of it, smell. And if it smells a little bit like cherries, well, there you go. You know you got some cherry tree. There's Lippy up there doing a little bit more inspection, helping us inspect this tree out here. What you think, buddy? What you think? Huh? A good tree? Let's let him decide. Is it a good tree, buddy? Is it? Okay, it's a good tree. Oh, look, there's another one of our cats. You can't see him. Anyway, the whole point of this is I'm gonna gather some sticks here, and I got a little stuff up there to cook today. So we're gonna go ahead and get some sticks, start the fire, and we'll get rolling. Alrighty, so I'm back. As you can see, we got the fire already going. It's nice and warm. One of the things I want to show you though real quick is look at this here. This is some of that cherry wood that I got. As you can see, it's nice and bright and red on the inside there. That's one of the ways you can tell this is cherry wood, you know. And also, if you smell it, but it's kind of cold out here, so you can't really smell it, and plus it's a lot better to smell it if you're cutting it instead of just breaking branches. But you can still smell it if you're breaking branches. So let's throw a few of these on there. Then I might get to going on my coffee. As soon as some of these burn down a little bit more. And then we'll get to cooking. We'll get to cooking. Alright, so I'm going to let this burn down. I'm going to get to going on my coffee. And I'll see you in a minute. Alright, we are back. I got my coffee brewing. Now look at this. This is what I wanted to happen last video. See what I was talking about? This is where you got your good coffee. When that coffee is rolling over on itself. I mean, it is sort of. See them bubbles coming up on the side? It's going up. It's going back in. Rolling over on itself. Rolling over on. That's how you know you got some motherfucking good campfire coffee. Let's go ahead and take it off of there because that's about the peak of the heat that it needs to be. So let's go over here and we're going to do exactly what we did last time. Let me open this up. Forgot to open this up. Okay. So if there's any other coffee grains left in there, which there's probably not, I'm also going to cool it off a little bit by putting a little extra water in there. And of course, some people might say, hey, you just diluted your coffee. Well, I try to make it strong enough to the point where, you know, if you put a little extra water in there, it isn't going to make too much of a difference, you see? So, putting that cold water in there cools it off. Also, if there's any coffee grains left in there, it forces them all to the bottom. So yeah, let's go ahead and try. Oh yeah, that's perfect right there. Okay. So I'm going to set this to the side, and now let's get to cooking our breakfast. So what we're going to do, I'm going to have to set this right here for now. And then I'm going to have to take this frying pan, set it on the ground, take this coffee, set it over here on the brick table. And we don't really need this grate on here now. That's mainly just for making coffee. Let's put that over there. We probably got enough coals in there. It's probably hot enough. We don't need this no more. Let's throw that in there. Alright, let's put this pan on here like so. And let's get in here to my goodies bag. Well, my bag that I brought all my food with me. But okay. I'm trying to do this with one hand, so give me a break here. I got my spoon. Set that over there. And we got a little hunk of cheese. We got some sausage here. Hold up, let me get all this stuff in the pan and I'll be back. Alright, we're back. So I got a little bit of maple sausage right here in the pan that I put in here. We got some chicken biscuits right here. We got 2 chicken biscuits and a little hunk of cheese. And of course I got my coffee over here. I can't forget about that. All I got with me here to stir this with is a spoon. So we're just gonna have to make do with what we got. I might have to eat with this spoon too, so not exactly. I should have brought another fork or something with me, but simply because we got this fire covered up now, it's cold out here and I'm freezing a little bit, but it's all good. For the sake of the video, we're going to go ahead and go through with this because I'm out here, so we might as well. I don't have no seasoning on this, so this is just going to have to do for now. Holy shit, my hand is frozen. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and wait until this cooks. There's really no reason for me to record this while it cooks, so I'll be back when this is browned and ready to go, and I'm going to put them damn chicken biscuits up in there and that cheese, and we're going to get to eating. Alright, so I'll be back in a minute. Okay everybody, we are back. Now the sausage is pretty much browned up enough to where, you know, it's pretty fully cooked now. Alright, so what we're going to do now, we're going to put these chicken biscuits, aka eggs. I don't want you to get it twisted. I don't want you to think that never mind. We'll put these damn chicken eggs in here. Crack it open with one hand. Uh-oh. Got some shell in there. It's all good. We got it out. Be like Snoop Dogg. Crack an egg open with one hand with no shell in there. Yeah, look at that. Just like you did in McDonald's. Alright, we ain't out here no damn McDonald's. We out here in the real world. Cooking out here in the campfire. Alright, so I'm going to y'all stay with me now. Stay with me, because this is going to be cooking real fast. It's going to get done in here in about less than that. About 3 minutes. Okay, I'm going to make sure, I'm trying to do all this at the same time simultaneously. I got the camera in my hand, try to cook, try to make sure the camera's pointed at the food. You know what I'm saying? Trying to get it going. So, shit's going to be done here about 5 minutes now. I didn't really do anything special to this. I didn't add no peppers, no salt, no pepper, no none of that. I didn't really have any of that stuff. I didn't really bring any seasoning with me. Hell, I only have one damn eating utensil. But it is what it is. Hell yeah, this is it, man. This is the life right here. Cooking on an open fire. Don't have to worry about no bullshit. Although you do have to worry about the cold when you're out here in the damn winter. It's a little chilly. But it's all good. We out here. Alright, shit is getting done. Now that cherry wood doesn't really add no really flavor to it unless I'm actually cooking like actually cooking the sausage on the open fire with this grate I got right over here. But I ain't gonna do that because I just don't want to. Plus, I ain't very good at cooking on them grates like that. I'll end up messing all of this up. Thank you, helicopter, for flying by. Of course, there's an airport right over there, so I mean, it's not right directly across the road, but it's a little way, about a couple miles down that way. And of course, they ain't got nothing else to do, and you might as well get into the helicopter, fly around the city, because you ain't got nothing else to do, right? But look at what we do. We out here cooking some sausage, some eggs. Yeah. Okay, it's pretty much damn near done. So let's get this cheese here. Open this up. And again, I gotta apologize. I'm doing this with one hand, so I can't really show you all the little details and all that stuff. Bam. Got that cheese in there. All right. But I'm trying. Alright. Let that cheese melt up in there a little bit and we'll be ready to eat. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. Oh, forget about my coffee here. Oh, that coffee's starting to get a little cold now. Still warm, still steaming. As you can see, still got a little steam on there, but still starting to get a little cold. All right. See how this cheese doing. How that cheese doing. That shit melting up in there. I should have brought some better cheese with me. It's all good though. It's all I got actually. God damn. Fucking helicopter. Don't worry. Once I make the final move, this kind of woods is really in the middle of the city. So that's why you're hearing helicopters and shit like that and cars and all that bullshit. But once we move to Missouri, hopefully, we won't be hearing no more damn helicopters, no more damn loud cars, no more damn gunshots, no more of that bullshit. Except, if I want to be doing the shooting, I'm going to be the one doing the damn shooting, you know what I'm saying? But where I live right now, I can't even do that, because we're in the city limits. Although people act like they don't give a fuck and they shoot any fucking way. Alright, so this cheese is basically fully melted in there. So that's it. That's the Campfire coffee breakfast duo, whatever you want to call it. This is it. So I'm going to go ahead and enjoy eating this. And then after that, I'm going to pack all this shit up and go home because it's cold out here. So I just kind of wanted to go out here and do this video and show y'all, hey, you can survive out here if you got the right stuff, the right materials. I don't know, if you got the right equipment. That's the word I was trying to find. Anyway, this has been Skizmaweed, and I will see you in the next video. If you like this video, make sure you give me a like and all that. But only do that if you actually like the video. Look, there's Inky. He said, I want to get a little some of them eggs and sausage. Come on, man. Chew. Oh, I'll give you some. I'll give you some. Alright, so I'll see you later in the next video I do. Later.